Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and today we have the Huawei Matepad 10.4 inch tablet. Okay, this is not mine. This is not. I did not buy this. This wasn't sent to me by Huawei. This tablet is actually a tablet to my friend, owned by my friend, and he's asking me help in trying to set up the GMS. Okay, so we're gonna take the time to do a quick unboxing of the MatePad 10.4 inch. Okay, so it almost has the same setup as the MatePad Pro, okay, for some small differences. Okay, the Type-C charger is still on the right side. Okay, power button is still on the left side. Okay, as you can see, it's already on, and then the volume buttons are still on the top. Okay, they also has a 8 megapixel front facing camera that's right in the middle, and the back is also an 8 megapixel camera, so it's an 8x8. My friend already had this installed. This is for a magnet. So okay, let's open the box so that you can see exactly what comes with it when you buy it. I'm not sure if it comes with a screen protector because this one already has. It might be because my friend had it installed. Okay, as you can see inside the box, you can see the SIM card tray ejector tool. Inside here is just the cord, the Type-C cord. Okay, which we are not gonna bring out anymore because it's just a Type-C. Okay, and in here is the wall charger. Show you the price. It was bought for 20,990 pesos. Okay, so it has 1 year warranty and everything else. If you buy it from a legit reseller. Okay, so we're gonna open it up now. Okay, as you can see here, it says the Huawei Matepad. Build number is 10.1.0.161. EMUI version is 10.1.0. Android version is 10. Okay, the RAM is only 4 GB and internal is 64 GB. So that's one of the major differences versus the MatePad Pro. Okay, but as you can see, another difference, a slight difference, is in the height or the width. As you can see, there's a small difference, probably less than half an inch on the screens. Okay, the camera setup for the front back camera is also different because the Huawei Matepad has it, the Pro has it on the left side top, and this one has it in the middle. Okay, as you can see, the camera is also recessed into the screen. This one isn't. Okay, so as roughly about, I think, 84% screen to body ratio for the MatePad 10.4. Okay, so we're gonna open up the SIM card tray. The SIM tray is located also in the bottom of the tablet, almost the same exact place as the Huawei Matepad Pro. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. The MatePad 10.4, I assume you can use 2 SIM cards excuse me, or one nano SIM and a micro SD, which I think is better than the MatePad Pro because the MatePad Pro uses a proprietary SD card, so it doesn't use the normal micro SD cards that most devices in the market actually uses right now. Okay, okay, and the Huawei Matepad 10.4 is also an LTE capable device, so you can use, you don't need to have the pocket Wi-Fi anymore. If you have your SIM card that has the data capabilities, then you can use that to support your internet browsing. Okay, Maximum SD card that you can use is 512 gigabytes. The battery is 7,250 milliamperes. Okay, and then the processor is Huawei Kirin 810 octa-core. Okay, so this should still be very fast, even though it's just a 4 GB RAM tablet. But look at the camera; it's nice. Okay, I compared the camera settings for both the MatePad Pro and the MatePad. It looks like the focal length of the camera for the MatePad 10.4 is, how do you call it, wider? It has wider coverage than the MatePad Pro. I've had friends ask if the Huawei MatePad 10.4 can be installed with the GMS and all the stuff from Google. I'm not sure yet. That's what I'm gonna try over the weekend. As you can see, my MatePad Pro has the Google Play Store and everything else, but there are still some kinks problems, like I can't download Call of Duty Mobile. It always hangs. Okay, so I'll probably try to send it via share it from my phone to the tablet later. But I also have friends who've been asking if they buy the MatePad 10.4, will the Bluetooth keyboard and the M Pen work? Okay, we're gonna try it now. One thing that I noticed is that the MatePad doesn't have a magnet on top or anywhere for the M Pen to hold on to, compared to the MatePad Pro. Okay, so that's one thing that you need to check. That's one thing that's answered. And if the keyboard for the MatePad Pro will work, and again the answer is a no. As you can see, it doesn't. Since there's no magnets, it's not gonna work. And if I'm sure about it, I'm not 100% sure. The MatePad Pro also works with NFC. Okay, place the area of the NFC sensor of your phone against the icon of the keyboard. Okay, so it also needs an NFC connection, so this doesn't have it. So the Huawei MatePad Pro keyboard and the M Pen will not work on the MatePad 10.0. So if you want to use this with a keyboard, I suggest you buy one of those Bluetooth keyboard combos out there in the market. Rapu has one that it has a combo that has a mouse and a keyboard ready, and also they have a standalone keyboard that has a slot. Check our videos, you can see there we already did the unboxing for those units. So that's it, guys, the quick unboxing of the Huawei MatePad 10.4 and comparison against the MatePad Pro. So it depends on what you want to buy. If you can afford the MatePad Pro, I suggest you go to the MatePad Pro because it's stronger, faster, it has more perks and all that stuff. But if your budget is just enough for about 20,000, I think it's 18,000 right now in Shopee, I guess the MatePad 10.4 should be a nice alternative. You can use it, work and everything else, if you are able to install the GMS and the Play Store and everything else. So that's it, guys. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe.